going to put my foil on first, and first I'm just going to press this little t-shirt for a couple of seconds to get out the moisture, because we know moisture is not good for transfer material. So it just needs to be done for a couple of seconds. That's a couple. And then I may do a little center line, which will also help with centering the image. That's why it's called a center line. And again, just a couple of seconds to give us a guide. Okay, we're going to do the NoWeed foil first, and we want this to go, we want the transfer paper to go on with the image facing down. So I've cut some of the little egg off because that portion of the leg of the egg is going to go into the basket, at least so far. I don't know, this may not be different enough. I may have to put something else on this, like an Easter bunny or a chick or something. Okay, I'm going to press this for 10 to 15 seconds. My heat press is set at, I'm just wondering if I needed transfer paper. My heat press is set at 300. And this is 15 seconds. Okay, that was image facing down, and this is a hot peel. Perfect. I didn't need, see, everything came off. I didn't need a transfer paper. You know, I'm still learning. Okay, with this one I do, because we're actually going to put the foil on. And somebody asked us if you could use any of our foil, and you can. So we've got a ton of different colors. I should have cut this smaller. Now I can't find my scissors. Oh well. So you want to be sure the image is covered and that your foil is straight. And I will need a release paper with this. And this only gets pressed for 10 seconds. And this is going to be a cold peel. And for cold peel, I usually use a marble block, but I think one of you in our Facebook group mentioned that she uses this, that you use the surface of your counter. So that's what I'm going to do too. So that will automatically, this is my kitchen counter, which is, I don't know, something quartz maybe. So we just want to get this nice and cool before we peel it. Oh yeah, that really works. I like having it on a kitchen counter, or a table, or a glass table, or a marble table, whatever you have. And you should already see the image coming through. So, here's our little Easter egg. Cool. Then next, I already have the Easter basket in the NoWeed, in the LP vinyl. And okay, here we go, and we're going to press the LP vinyl for 15 to 20 seconds. It also is at 300. And then we're going to cold peel that. I have my kitchen counter handy. I love that tip. Hi, it's me again. And I started feeling a little embarrassed about my mistake that I made with the foil and the LP vinyl. So I decided to add some glitter, because what doesn't go better with glitter? And maybe that'll take the eye away from the little bit of pulling away that the tape did on the foil. Anyway, I have found 2 bunny ears on Cricut, which I'm learning to use a little more. And I'm going to put these little bunny ears on here, which I think fills the space a little better. So with glitter, I've got it set to 310, and I press for 15 seconds. So these bunny ears, I think, kind of look like bows. And hopefully a 3-year-old will think that too. All right. That's slightly better, right? At least there's some balance to it, and it draws the eye away from the mistake with the foil. Bye guys, happy Easter. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and remember to hit that little bell button so you'll be notified of all future tutorials. Thanks everyone.